Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will tell you how to fix Roblox error 267. So the first step you have to do, you have to go to your control panel, and after this you have to click on network and sharing center. Now you have to click on change adapter settings. In here you have to click on Wi-Fi, and now you have to go on details, and you have to close this, and you have to go on properties. So in here you have to click on Internet Protocol version 4. So in here you have to click on there, and here now you have to click on red 88888448. So now you have to click on validate settings upon exit, and you have to click OK and close. Cancel, close. So your first step has been done. So now our second step is we have to go to our command prompt, and here you have to give command prompt some commands. So the first command is ipconfig/release. There are 4 commands. So now I will give him the second command, ipconfig/renew. After this you have to give him the third command, ipconfig/release, and now we have to give him the last command, which is ipconfig/renew. So now our command prompts step has been done. So this was the method to fix the Roblox error 267. So if you like my video, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.